Today we're going to clear this patch of woods out that is between the house and the pool. We've got the fencing on order. That should be in here this week. So for now we've had temporary fencing up just to protect the people from falling into the pool accidentally. So I've got that taken down. We're starting pretty early this morning, but I want to get all of this tree work out of here. It's not a lot, and it's really just some scrubby stuff. We'll leave the big trees in there as part of the yard. And then I've had several loads of dirt brought in, and I just want to bring in some dirt around through here and then fill in this wooded area and then around the sidewalk. So we'll get started. Gotten to a point where this cleared out really well, and I think a lot of it has to do with just it's sandy out here. We did pull up some young sassafras. We're going to keep whatever we can. We still want to mow around here, and we want the environment to feel wooded and wild, I guess. But we'll be able to put black dirt down in through here. We'll get grass to grow. This looks great. I really like how you can see the sidewalk. It feels like more of a backyard. There's still plenty of woods here to protect the chickens, and they can run underneath the trees and branches if a hawk comes. yard more than I thought we would today, and we've got all the black dirt spread. And it honestly, it ended up being just about the right amount. Again, we just kind of eyeballed it. I think we'll just hand rake some of this in, and then, yeah, I think that's it for today. We're gonna go see some family and hang out, have a barbecue.